On the water at Falmouth, Pendennis has just made itself bigger. The yard has bought the old oil terminal that sits right beside its own docks, and it plans to bring the land back into maritime use. For a refit yard, ground is the real ceiling, not skill, and this yard was already full. Now there is more of it. The whole estate around that purchase is being rebuilt for £150 million, and for the first time, a single authority signs off every marine licence, so the paperwork that used to slow a yard down now moves at the pace the work does. Walk onto the quay, and here is what you actually find today. A pair of enclosed dry docks join into one very long dock, sheltered from the worst the channel can throw at a hull, so paint and fairing happen on schedule rather than at the mercy of the weather. A heavy travel hoist lifts a boat clear of the water, and a covered wet basin holds her afterwards, safe from the tide. 3 separate halls sit behind the quay, and one of them is built purely for rigging, so engineering, paint, joinery and rig all work under a single roof instead of being split across 3 different yards. This is a place that can build you a full custom yacht from a bare hull, and just as readily take on a rebuild up to 85 metres and return an old one to as new condition. Pendennis has been doing exactly that since Peter de Savary founded the yard right here at Falmouth Docks, and the reputation since then was built on the hard boats, not the easy ones. Seawolf arrived as an ocean-going tug from the 1950s and left 2 years later reborn, her interiors and engineering renewed and her whole hull repainted, still recognisably the ship she always was. The judges gave her a special award for exactly that. The Feadship Solace spent a year in the same sheds, her aft deck reworked around a sauna and a beach club, and went home with the Refitted Yachts award the same season. Right now, another feadship called Gin-Tonic sits in the shed, taking on a longer stern and new engines, due back on the water early next year. Pendennis runs a second base too, at Vilanova near Barcelona, so an owner can hold the relationship without always making the passage north. And if you bring your own yacht here from abroad, the tax rules work in your favour. Relief on the VAT for qualifying refit work is something no Mediterranean yard can offer a foreign owner in quite the same way. So put Falmouth on the list. The land just got bigger, the docks around it are being rebuilt for the years ahead, and the same trades that turned a 50s tug into an award winner are standing by for whatever hard, beautiful project comes through the gate next.